Okay, in this video, we'll do a walkthrough of the free version of Chat GPT. You go to chat.openai.com and then you see this screen. There you will choose sign up and then you will create an account for the free version. The paid version at this moment is $20 per month, but you will choose the free version. When you set this up, you will come into the Chat GPT dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here you can see if you use the free version, it's 3.5, our greatest and fastest model, great for most everyday tasks, available to free and plus users. This is the Chat GPT Plus account. I use it on a daily basis and it has some other features that I also use on a daily basis, so therefore I have the Plus account. So what do we see over here? This is the dashboard of ChatGPT, a very minimal design. I like it. And here you see all your chats, all your recent chats that you used. Here you can create a new chat, but we have a new chat over here. This will make it full screen, not needed. And here you have the settings. So here you can move your conversations if you like to. There you can see your plan. You can click on it and there you'll see I have the Chat GPT Plus plan. It's available when demand is high. So if you use the free version, it can be possible that you're limited in your chats. Faster response. So if you fill in everything, you can have a slower response if you use the free version, and you have priority access to the new features. In this training, you only need the free version of ChatGPT, which will be sufficient for this. And then also here we have settings, and here you have general. I have the dark theme. I like it better for my eyes. Clear all chats, you can do that. You can have the beta feature that's only in the Plus account. There you have the browse version. So if you use the free version, the data, it's till September 2021. So all the data after that, you cannot use or you cannot access it in ChatGPT, and therefore they have created a extra feature, and that is a live web browsing. So what it will do is you can go on the internet and use data after September 2021. Also have plugins in the full version, in the Plus version. And with these plugins, you can use, for example, Expedia as a plugin, and you can let ChatGPT assist you in, for example, a business travel. Then you have the data controls. Here you can have all kinds of settings that you can use for your data. Okay, that's it for now. Let's go to ChatGPT 3.5. Here it will say ChatGPT for you, not the Plus. And here is where all the magic happens in this field. And let's see what we can do with it. So now using the same version as in the free account, the 3.5 version, and let's see what we can do with this. So I will say create a social media post about 3 challenges marketers face using AI for business. Okay. Now what happens? This is a very fast response. I'm using the Plus account, so it's possible that you don't get this fast response, but it will come anyway. You saw here, you can pause it and play back, that there were some dots over here, and this means that it's thinking or it's creating a response for you. Here you have the thumbs up. You can put it like up if you like the response. If you don't like the response, you can put it down, so a thumbs down you can give it, and then it will ask you something. We will show it later. And this one is copy to a clipboard. Okay. Let's see. Attention marketers. Challenges of using AI for business. Artificial intelligence transforming the marketing landscape, but it's not all smooth sailing here. Here are the challenges marketing face when harnessing the power of AI for business growth. Data overload. As AI relies heavily on data, marketers. Okay. So let's say, for example, that I don't like this response. What I can do is I will say this one. Provide additional feedback. And then I say, this isn't helpful, which is not true, but it's just an example. Submit feedback. Okay. Then you get a new answer. So that's also nice. It's very, very fast. And then you can see if this works. And then you can do skip this step. And then you can have a new one. Another option is that you can go to this one and then you'll say create a social media and market using AI for business for in the accounting world, in the niche accounting, and then save and submit. So what it does now is that it creates a new social media post. It's very easy, and here you can switch back to the previous prompt that you give, and here you go back to the next one. So, and I can also do again this one and create a different output. Here you have the regenerate response. So if you push this one, you get a new version of your input. And then you can put stop. Oh. And I can push this one, stop generating, and then it stops. So for example, if something takes too long, or you think, okay, this is not what I want to, it's a mistake, then you can put stop generation. This is it. This is the dashboard of Chat GPT. And in the next video, I will explain how to use Chat GPT.